Good morning, this is Ranjan here from smartfinancing.com. And in this particular presentation, I am going to describe the coming week Nifty future and Bank Nifty future trend as per the one standard deviation and the real-time volatility method. So one standard deviation and real-time volatility method, this method I will be using to describe what will be the trend for the Nifty and Bank Nifty future for the coming week. So this is what I am going to describe in this presentation. So before I should go to describe all these things, I just have couple of announcements to make here in this forum. So my first announcement will be how you can use this particular method, one standard deviation method, for your intraday trade. So intraday trade. So in this regard, we have scheduled one live market webinar. So the webinar will be happening on the live market. So live market webinar we have scheduled. And this live market webinar is scheduled on the 18th and 19th of the February. 19th of the February, timing will be 9:30 morning to 10 o'clock. 9:30 to 10 o'clock, half an hour time. In that event, I will be describing how you can do intraday trade using the one standard deviation principle in the live market. In live market, you can experience this. So, and it's a free program. Anyone can join this program. I will request all of you to see the video description. Once you are seeing this video in that YouTube, see the video description. There I have given the link to register for that program. Please do register and also invite your friends to register for this program. This is a free program to demonstrate how you can work with the one standard deviation in live market. So not only that, on that particular program of 18th and 19th, 18th Feb and 19th Feb, that live program, I also demonstrate how to do a stock selection. So recently we have just devised one tool, one new software. So where we are just devise specific techniques to select the stocks which can give you benefit in an intraday trade, select the stocks which may not give you benefit in the intraday trade. So how that stock selection is being done, so that is also I am going to describe. So these two things is going to be described. So 18th and 19th February, 9:30 morning to 10:30, 9:30 morning to 10 o'clock morning. So this will be in a live market. To register for this program, I will request all of you to see the video description, and the link is given. Click there and view the join for the event. My second announcement will be we are having one program on 10 intraday trading techniques which is being scheduled for the 22nd, 23rd and 29th February, which is a paid program, 590 rupees it's a fee. So if you are interested to learn some intraday methods which you can utilize with the help of some simple Excel sheet, do register for this program. Topics are being given. Visit our website smartfinancing.com. Click on this seminar link, you will get the details and you do register here. So now we will be moving to the weekly trend forecast of Nifty and Bank Nifty as per one standard deviation principle and real-time volatility. So this report also you can able to download from our website. You have to just visit this download link of our website, and then you need to click on this download Nifty Bank Nifty weekly trend report. So this particular page you will just click here to download it. So it may ask you to register. So if you are already registered, so you just log in. If you have not registered, just register yourself, then download that report. So this particular report you can able to download. So what we are doing here, we are taking the one standard deviation principle. Price, last traded price of the Nifty future on Friday, so which was on the 14th of Feb. 14th of Feb. So the last traded price of the Nifty future was 12,129. Real-time volatility, which is being calculated by our software. So this you cannot able to do in Excel sheet. You require some algorithmic process. So real-time volatility 9 point and odd it was there, and square of root of number of days, which 1 week we are doing for square root of 7, because money also has a value in holidays. So your bank also pays you interest for holidays. So for that reason only 1 week means it should be square root of 7. So after taking this entire result, I am dividing it by square root of 365. So this actually gives me the price range. So this gives me a price range for coming week between 17th to 21st February. The price range will be 153 points. So I am multiplying this 153 with all Fibonacci ratios, 0.236, 0.382 and other things. I am getting all those price range. I am adding it with the 12,129. I am also subtracting from 12,129. So I am getting all these levels: 12,165, 188, 205, 224, 249 like this. So same way the downtrend also calculations I am doing. So I am using the Fibonacci. I am using the one standard deviation formula for calculating the price range. Then my trade forecast will start, or my trade entry will start. So my trade entry says if 12,165 the Nifty breaks, then I will be buying the Nifty at 12,165, and sometime I will be hedging it with 12,150 put option, and I will keep a stop loss in the opposite side 12,070. So and then my targets will be 12,224, 12,249 and so on. So each time I move to the first target, I will be trailing my stop loss. Once my first target 224 comes, I will trail my stop loss to 12,188. And once I am going to the second target of 249, 12,249, I will trail my stop loss to the 0.382 level, which is 0.5 level, which is 12,206. By this process, I will be going on trailing the stop loss. Same way, if I get a downtrend entry 12,093 below, I can sell back Nifty, and along with that I can hedge it with 12,100 call option. So and the trend will change once the Nifty goes above 12,188. I can keep a stop loss here. If my stop loss future hits the stop loss, then also I have to close my hedging position, which is 12,100 call option, and reverse the trade. So this is how we should trade, and hedging is must. Always I advocate hedging is a best practice. So though it reduces your profit, but it protects you from the big losses also. So you have to satisfy yourself with a small profit and no big loss, or a big profit with big loss. So this is the choice is yours. If you hedge, you have a small profit and small loss. And if you do not hedge, you get a big profit and big loss also. So this is the choice is yours. If you do not like to hedge, then you go with your style. However, always I will advocate that you must hedge. So this particular way we have also devised for the Bank Nifty. However, for Bank Nifty, I'm telling you to enter at 0.382 level. Same process of calculation. However, the entry is being shifted to 0.382 because of its very high base value. Base is 31,000. It's a huge value. So for that only we are just 31,110 above. I will be buying, keeping a stop loss of 30,700, and this will be my targets. And same way I can sell it here and keep a stop loss 31,100, and these are my targets. So this way, if you trade with the hedging, you will definitely experience a great deal of success. So this is the report for the coming week. I will request all of you, do save this report, download this report from our website. Even though if you are not downloading, these values are visible on your screen, and these particular values note it down, pause the video, note it down, take a screenshot, whatever the process you want, you just preserve these values. And for coming week, 17th to 21st February, 17th to 21st February on opening basis, on days high basis, days low basis, days close basis, compare these values, where the Nifty is opening, what is the high, what is the low, what is the close, whether this high and low and close is having any close relationship with our calculation. Very important to know. It is a future forecast. We are doing it on 15th of February. I am telling this is valid from 17th to 21st February. So do a check or do a quality check in this particular calculation. That is very important for you as a trader. So you yourself will experience out of these 5 trading days, how many days these calculations was in line with days opening basis, days closing basis, days high and days low basis. So from there itself you can able to estimate the accuracy of this method. So please do a quality check, and next week also, if time permits, I can release the report. And do download this report. For downloading this report, just visit our download link of our website. Click on this link of download Nifty Bank Nifty report, and from here you can able to download these reports. So test it and you can experience it. Same thing, those who are having our software, they can able to do it from, suppose they want the stock future of ICICI Bank's weekly report. So they have to download this thing, click on this, and number of days are 7, and just have a calculations here. So these are the levels for the ICICI Bank future for the coming week. So here we have given 3 cycles, but in report I have just explained the first cycle of the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if you have software, you have the 3 cycles. Means once one cycle completes, then once the price goes above 566, new cycle starts. Once the price goes below 526, new cycle starts. So this tool also has an option scanner, stock scanner, weekly options, option monthly contract, commodities, everything you can able to trade. This too also, our new tool what we have brought it. This is a scanner. It is telling that these are the stocks which is having the higher volatility for the day, for Friday. So I am just taking these calculations on Friday. So these are the stocks that are having a falling volatility. These stocks having no change in the volatility as compared to its previous day. So here, if you just see that we have given any stock having a 60% correlation with the Nifty and rising volatility is good for the intraday. So here, correlation with the Nifty, you need to hunt for the stocks. Wipro is a company which is having a great correlation with the Nifty and 60% above. And certain stocks you can say Manappuram, this is minus 74. S Bank minus 30. So here also you can get many stocks, you can get those who are having a correlation of 60% above. Here also we have given a list of stocks based on their correlation with the Nifty. So these are the stocks will be highly proportionate way react to the Nifty movement. So stocks having the higher correlation with the Nifty will react to the Nifty movement in a better way. So same way you can able to see this particular tools. Suppose if I want to see that Axis Bank's technical studies, here you can able to see the technical studies of the Axis Bank. So this is 10 indicators we have taken: simple moving average, exponential, triangular, displaced, relative strength, all is Bollinger Band. So what it says, so out of these 10 indicators, as per yesterday, till yesterday it was maintaining, till yesterday means till yesterday this was maintaining a 5 out of 10 indicators was suggesting buy. Now 6 out of 10 indicators suggesting buy. So this is what the Axis Bank suggests here. So each indicator what they suggest, that also you can able to know. So these are the benefits of this particular software. So So do join the 18th and the 19th of program. You get to experience the software. If you want to procure this software, if you want to buy this particular software, then you must contact us. So you just contact our sales team. So our phone numbers, you can find it from the contact us link. So you can contact our sales team. So we'll glad to help you in procuring this product. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.